Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's been ages since I last picked up my camera to do anything real time. Every video I have posted, not a lot, were all old videos because you all, a girl has been going through 99, like I have seen Shake in the past how many months. You all, I am looking very puffy. Yeah. A girl is 39 weeks pregnant and nearly popping. I have a pile of clothes down here that I used for Deju. They are Deju's clothing items, and this baby is going to be a boy. So I thought, why not recycle them? Why did I keep them in the first place? So I'm recycling them. So I just want to, I brought them out already from the box and from where they were hidden. So I'm just going to wash them. And I thought to carry you guys along. And then I have some other new ones that I'm going to be opening. Not a lot of new ones for 0 to 3 months. So I'm just going to be opening them up and show you guys what they look like. I'm running out of breath. I'm sorry. Um, I'm running out of breath. With Deju, 4 days from now, I already had Deju because it was an emergency C-section. So 39, 4 days, I already had Deju, and I am 39 already, and I am still standing here telling you guys talk. Yeah, so I haven't even washed the clothes that this baby is going to put on, and I haven't packed my hospital bag. So these are the stuffs I'm going to be showing you guys. Now, so I'm just going to wash some of these clothing now and then open up a few new ones that I got, and the ones that I'll be putting in the hospital bag as well, my hospital bag as well. So let's just get right into it. And I have my coat on because I have just come out from the outside and will be going back immediately as well. So that's why I have my coat on. That's why I have my jacket on. This jacket, if I show you guys the full length of this jacket, you think I'm a masquerade. Get the washing machine open, and then let's start doing this. It's gonna be a baby soon. If you hear any noise at the background, did you are. Look at those. They're so beautiful. They're so cute.
There's room for babies?
Yes, for your baby brother. Yeah.
You have baby in your stomach.
Yeah, I have baby in my stomach. I have a baby brother. Go to daddy. Let me finish, then I'll call you, okay?
No, because I need to watch football.
I'm trying to select and pick the ones that do not have um, I'm trying to pick the ones with white colors first, and then start with the ones without, trying to pick everything that's not going to leak. How many years is this one? This one says 3 to 6 months old. Well, I'll just wash it, and it's new. I just took the tag off. A lot of these clothing, Deju wore them only one because when I had Deju, I had the intention of going back to Nigeria. So I bought like loads and loads and loads and loads of clothing items that I didn't even need. Deju, please, can you pause that thing so that I can talk? Deju, that's too loud, please.
Loud?
Yeah, it's too loud, please. Thank you. Like I was saying, when I had Deju, I bought like loads and loads of clothing items that I didn't even need because I thought we were going back to Nigeria. So I bought clothes that were going to be enough for Deju for up to 4 years or 3 or 4 years old. So those clothing are stuck with me right here. Some I've dashed and dashed and dashed, and I don't even know what to do with the rest now. Some of the clothes I even forgot he had them, like the early years one, maybe like 0 to 3 months old, 3 to 6 months old. I forgot he had them. So some of them we wore them only once. So stuffs like this, he wore them maybe like once or twice, and here we are. We are recycling them. So because of that, this time around, I didn't buy loads of clothing. I just concentrated on other things that I need. I have like a pile of boxes just behind me here that I'm going to be showing you guys. Not now, but I'll definitely show you guys what's in the boxes. You guys are going to unbox those boxes with me. I'll be unpack those boxes with me. But in the meantime, I'm just going to sort this clothes and see how much I'm able to get into the washing machine this morning. Not this morning, this is afternoon already. I have a lot of them clothes here. So let me show you guys what I'm doing. Like I've brought these clothes out for how many weeks now I've been trying to wash them. So I don't want to put clothing that have colors together with clothing that don't have colors. So look at this nice, beautiful pants. Look at that. All onesies though. There are a lot of onesies. And what do babies live in when they're that age? It's not onesies. So here we go, onesies. This cute pants. I remember Lupi is from Lupilu. I think this is an Asda store. Laura bought this for me when I had Deju. Laura bought that when I had Deju. 3 to 6 months old. It's white color. So and all of these onesies, you can wash them all. It's so cute. It says Daddy has a funny beard. Actually, I don't think so. This one is a 30 something. And then onesie, bodysuits. These ones are new. All from Deju's clothing items. These ones are new. How many months? 0 to 3 months. No, 6 to 9 months old. I might not wash this now because I have loads of stuff to do, not the wash clothes. I think 0 to 9 months as well. I just want to wash all the white ones first. And again, with this new baby, every clothes I bought are neutral clothing items. I didn't. Look at this. Like, who wears this thing for their child for how many months? Children don't wear these things. I don't know what I was thinking when I bought it. Babies don't wear those. See how I bought it now, so it still come on. So what made me bought it? I have no clue. Children don't wear those. They wear onesies. That's what they wear. See another one from Deju's time. I brought them out again. I will still not wear it for this baby because who wears that for their babies? People don't wear that for their babies of 0 to 3 months old. You don't wear that for them. They live in onesie, cute onesies. That's what they wear. And so I spent my money more on onesies with this little guy that's coming. You all. Oh yeah, look at this. Oh, this I think this was the outfit Deji wore from hospital the last time when I had him. He wore this one from the hospital. I think he has. It's not. I think he has a top. He definitely has a top. This is like a swaddle, and they have both something for. I think it's literally for baby girls, and I don't have a baby girl. I don't intend to have one. I mean, I don't think one. I'm not going to have one, so I'm not going to have one. So I got all of this. These ones are grey. Put them in there. Then, oh, Angela, there's a lady. Angela bought this for Deju when Deju was born. Deju was born the 10th of December, and he wore this on the 25th of December, Christmas. So maybe his brother will wear them as well. I don't know. Until we get there, we shall cross it and see. See me buying like nearly the same thing. Nearly the same thing. Is this not almost the same thing? I was so silly when I bought all this. Is a sleeping bag for babies. Will be useful for Deju. Some muslins. I still have some of Deju's muslins are still in very good shapes. I bought loads of muslins at the time. You know, if you have a baby, you know you go through a lot of muslins. So here you are. I got some muslins. And we're nearly there. Oh, look at this one. He was this one in the hospital. There's a little dog or a little cat there. I got that from Laura Doubt at the time. This ones, he didn't wear them at all. They're still, I'm very sure this little boy will still not wear them. Because who wears all of those things for their babies that are only how many months? All these ones needs to go in and be washed. Oh, this one needs to go in there. See, this one has little cars. Nice. Happy baby, he says. Most definitely, happy baby is going to be. Oof. This is the top for that Lupilu thing I showed you guys earlier. It's for small 0 to something years old, so put it in there. Also have this one. Yeah, chuck that in there. This one's too big. How many years old? I think this must be 3 to 6 months old. But wash it though. It must be 6 to 3 months old. This must be 3. I still have, and there's a bag of clothes my friend brought for me. Those were the first set of new clothes for this new baby set at 2. But I'm not sure where I kept that bag of clothes. I'll look for it and I'll show you guys. This one, I don't know how this one came. This is another onesie. Sorry, bodysuit, not onesie. These are so cute. Bodysuits in different colors. I didn't do, like I said, I didn't do loads of colors for this new baby because I don't want, I'm realizing me more. I don't want colors. I really don't want colors. Yeah, look at it. I think I bought this from Billy's and Fair at the time. That's it. And one bib will be helpful. I'm not sure I've got bibs in there. Maybe if I got, it's just a few. Oh, it is what it is. Look at that. It's so cute. Put it in there. And then, it says babies don't wear shoes. I bought these shoes. I can't remember how much I bought it again. But my baby did he ever wear it? I can't remember. I bought shoes. You know what? Like, what made me buy a shoe in the first place? I ain't got no clue. I have no clue. I don't know why I bought shoes. I bought shoes for my baby. No, I bought it for Deju at the time. These were Deju's shoes. They're so small. Look at those. Like my thumbnail can even fit in there. Look, it's so small. It's so small shoes. Very little. Very little shoes there. I bought them because I did not see what to do with money. Not because I did not see what to do with money. It's because you don't understand. So those are the things. So I think the washing machine is full now. So I'm just going to set the washing machine to run. And I'll come back for these colored clothing items later. Like I said, I didn't buy a lot of clothing because I don't need a lot of clothing at this point. I bought 0 to 3 months old only, I think. So if I need clothing when he's 3 months, we shall go and begin to get clothing that he would be needing when it is time to get them, okay? There's no money to throw around, okay?